Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. If you haven't subscribed, wondering how to subscribe, that's all you have to do is hit that bell, ding, and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you for all your good comments you've been leaving and everything. Hope I've been getting back to them to the best of my knowledge. Today, I'll be doing something different today, Mr. Belle Kitchen. I'll be sauteing some corn. As you see the corn been boiled already, I'm just going to slice it up like this, and we're going to put it in there in this skillet right here. So to my ingredients today is some cayenne pepper, some garlic butter, some onion salt, some onion powder, seasoned salt, garlic powder, and some lemon pepper and some regular pepper. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to slice this up nice and good. Okay, so I'm just going to take my knife and just cut this up just like this. As you see, it cuts it up nice and good. Cut it up into the pieces like that. This right here is going to be a nice, easy dish. Just like that. I'm going to put my garlic butter in here. Let this start melting. Spread this all around just like this. I'm going to tell you this garlic butter is real nice and good and everything, as you see. And I'm just going to be eyeballing everything today, the seasoning and everything, as I put it in here. Just like this. And let that just build. That should be enough butter. Just going to sit this corn in just like this. Just set it in like that. And I'm going to just stir that up. Just like this. And let it get nice and good. Just like that. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just start putting a little season on it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just put a little cayenne pepper on it just like this. Get it nice and good. A little black pepper. This right here is going to be delicious. Onion powder. Get it nice and good and seasoned. Lemon pepper seasoned. And a little seasoning salt. And garlic powder. A little onion salt. This right here is going to be nice and good. And I'm just going to stir this up for a minute, and I'm going to put the top on for a couple minutes. Just stir it up just like that. Get it stirred up. So I'm going to just flip them like this for a minute. So it be all over. Just let it roll in there. Just like that. And I'm going to sit the top on for a minute and then just cook like that for a few minutes. Okay, we're going to take a look at it and see how it's coming out. Looking nice and good. I'm going to just roll them over a little bit. And so every part can get nice and good. Now that's coming out real good. Just like that. Roll it over. So that seasoning be on every part of it. Yeah, and so now I'm going to put the top back on it for a few minutes and I'm going to let that cook a few more minutes. Okay, altogether it's been about 8 minutes. I'm going to take this out. As you see, it's looking good. I'm just going to take this out and sit it in like this. It's looking good. Okay, this right here is your seasoning sauté corn. It looks nice and good and everything. I'm going to take a taste of it and see how it tastes. It's hot, but I'm going to try it anyway. It's hot. Tastes good. Thank you for watching. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you had to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you'll subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you.